Google Ads account will get cancelled if no money is spent in running ads for more than 15 months. Let's see how we can reactivate Google Ads account in this video. First, we need to sign into Google Ads account with Google account login information. Next, in this list of Google Ads account, we can select the cancelled ads account, which we want to reactivate. And in this screen, you can see the warning message to reactivate the ads account. We need to click this button first. And next we need to change the ads display language. Second, we have to add a name for the Google Ads account. And in the account status which says cancelled, we need to click here and activate it. And done activating the Google Ads account. We can refresh the main page to confirm the Ads Reactivate button is removed. And done, there is no Reactivate button visible anymore in Google Ads account. I am hoping this video tutorial is helpful to you. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get new updates when I add more tutorial video like this.